In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it, you can always do that by pinching your display and tapping on Widget at the bottom. Then scroll to tap on Android Widget, select Google app, hold search bar widget and drag it to the best place for you. Then let go, tap on home button and adjust it by holding it and picking any size by holding those dots on the right or on the left. When you finished changing size of it, click on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!